So Zach, what project are you going to be working on today?
I'm doing a 5-color Flecktarn Camo pattern today. I've already sprayed the base coat and put my first set of stencils on and was spraying the brown. And while we were spraying the brown, something happened technically that is above my pay grade as far as the camera work goes. And we don't have that footage, so we'll try to get the rest of the footage for the rest of the project, and we'll show you pictures when it's done.
Hey, thanks for watching here to the end. So when we started this YouTube channel a few years ago, it was basically just to be kind of a resource for people that were stuck on little issues or had little problems that we could help them with. We've always been the kind of shop that didn't mind pitching in and helping people with little things that we had the knowledge and we could just pass it on. So it's really grown a lot more than we ever anticipated it. It got us into training, it got us into a lot of different areas. It actually helped us come up with some techniques. So we'd like to kind of just do a little giveaway once we get to 10,000 subscribers. So we're going to pick 5 random subscribers to our channel once we get to the 10,000. We're going to give away a free 2-day training course for one person. We're going to give away a $200 stencil pack of just a random selection of our most popular patterns. We're going to give away one of our t-shirts. We'll give away 5 powder-coated, laser-engraved 20-ounce tumblers with your logo on them. That one's going to be a little bit of a kind of a you have to have your logo already in a digital format. We're not going to be able to do like design work for that. But as long as you have that, you send it to us. If you win that one, we'll put them on there, we'll mail them to you. And then the last drawing, the 5th one, will just be one of our patches. So tell all your friends, family, bribe people, we don't care how, we just want to get to 10,000. So help us out with that. We'll give these things away and we'll do it all live on, a live stream here on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.